20 signs that someone likes you. When someone likes you, they will want to hear your view on a subject because they greatly respect and appreciate your opinions and hope to learn more about you. One of the most typical signals that someone likes you is that they make an effort to maintain a conversation with you. When someone likes you, they look you in the eyes and maintain eye contact throughout the discussion. They may look away from time to time, but they will respect and courteous you by being listening while you speak. When someone likes you, they may naturally lean towards you when you are together. When someone likes you, they are curious about you more than you expected. When someone recalls numerous things about you on a regular basis, they may truly appreciate you. When someone likes you, they will always make time to see you. One of the strangest ways to tell someone likes you is if you look at their feet and they are pointed in your direction. When someone feels attracted to you, they typically smile, making direct eye contact. According to research, eye dilation happens when you are looking at someone or something you are attracted to. If someone is attempting to find out if you are single or not, there is a strong likelihood they like you and want to see if this may lead to anything. If someone goes out of his way to do the smallest things for you and doesn't even talk about it, that's a sign which indicates that someone likes you. If someone secretly likes you, he or she will always smile when you are around. If someone likes you, he or she will make excuses to be with you. When someone likes you, they will ask you a series of questions to learn more about you, or when they ask others to tell them about you. If someone likes you, they might even recall the color of the clothing you wore last week. If someone likes you, the person is willing to tell you the most secret and painful things about himself or herself. When someone likes you, he or she will always compliment you and say nice things about you even behind your back. Guys generally don't express emotions, but if a guy is emotional at times with you and express it, he likes you. If someone likes you, They are more friendly, talkative, and considerate towards you than anyone else.